Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Hello guys, now we are going to see about mining ASCII data, a study case on specialization prediction.
Let's see the abstract. The possibility of extracting useful medical information from data collected by nurses for management purposes investigated. An alternating tree for predicting pressure ulcer development is generated from nursing needs score data. To ensure the quality of acute hospitalization, medical care, nurse record items concerning treatment and can related to the severity of patients, nursing needs score A, and mobility and the activity of daily activity patients, nursing needs score B. The data on NSS-A and NSS-B are always collected and stored at designated hospital information system. Mining the data will reveal the useful medical information. Pressure ulcers are considered a serious problem in nursing care and require preventive measures. NNS data are primarily used to standardize the cost of nursing care in the public insurance system for appropriate nursing staffing and have never been used for PU risk assessment.
Now let's see the flow of our project. In this project, there are three main cases of the attendant, nurse and the doctor. Three of them want to log in into the system and they can only use their register add their data because authentication is the main purpose to secure our data. Attender first log in into the system and they want to enter their details, enter their incoming patient details. With the new patient arrivals means they can give their patient IDs and want to collect their personal details also and stored. This is the attender process, and then nurse wants to log in into the system and they want to collect the NSS data, nurse code data. This means nurse can collect the symptoms of the patient and then be stored into their database. And then nurse can modify their nursing needs code data also. Nurse can view their patient details also. They can know their particular symptoms or description of how many times they are all visited, and all the details will be monitored by the nurse also. Finally, doctor login into the system. They can know all the patient details. They can also know how many times these patients can be arrived. What are all the prescriptions I already given. It will be noted. The pressure is but the doctor give the prescription of their patients and then give their in which stage the pressure ulcer is predicted. Stage 1 or stage 2, stage 3 or stage 4. All of the details will be stored in the pressure ulcer stage. And HIS means Hospital Information System. In this process, each process in the pressure ulcer there are 4 stages. We can easily identify in which patients the all present in the stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 are also easily monitored and stored. This is the main purpose to predict our pressure ulcer prediction. Now we run our project. First we select the user type as attender. Username was 81. Password is 80. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the patient address. If the patient is already registered means you can select their ID and all their personal details will be displayed. I want to see the purpose of visit. Get to add the patient details. Patient details and status. If the patient is newly registered, newly incoming, we want to register details. Click here this button. Automatic patient ID will be displayed, and then the patient name. You want to give their personal details. Take care to add the patient details. The patient details are successfully added. and log stop, and then select the user as NAS and the username as A, password as A. Click here to login. This is the NAS home page. Click here to add the patient symptoms, and this is our edit the patient details, and just delete the patient. So now we want to first there add the patient details. This today registered patient details are based on. Click here to name is collected. We want to move to the collected in access data. Here you can give the symptoms. Click here to add the analysis data. Patient symptoms inserted successfully. Here to back home. Click here to edit our patient details. Patient all the details first. You can edit the phone numbers and click here to edit patient details updated successfully. If you want to delete any patient data from register, here to button, select the patient ID and all the details. You want to delete, just click here to delete. Patient P1 successfully deleted. These are all the NAS purposes. Log out, and we can select now doctor. Username as yes, password as yes. You have to log in. This is our doctor homepage. Click here to add the report of the patients, and this is our view the status, hospital information systems, and they view the patient details. Click here to view the patient details. You can give the patient ID and search. Today they are registered symptoms, but they didn't give the description of their stages. You have to want to add the report details. Select the patient ID. First I want to select the patient. These times, 3 times the patients are what are the symptoms, all the details will be displayed. Now I am going to give P4 patient. Click here to purpose and the descendants. Now we want to description for the patients. The stages will be automatically add prescription. View the stages. Click here to stage 1 and then stage 2, stage 4.